Tutorial 13. Let's move to the next feature in the sketch menu. We have plane, text, and point. So we're going to see the plane, insert the plane into 3D sketch. In this case, we don't have a 3D sketch. What we have is a 2D sketch. So let's exit this sketch and show you what is the 3D sketch. When you go to the sketch here and expand the sketch, you have sketch, which we are already using, the simple 2D sketching, and you have 3D sketch. So we'll try to make a lesson on that. It will be almost using the same tools like in the sketch, but on 3-directional way. And also you can find the 3D sketch icon in the Weldment tools. So this is the 3D sketch. It is a very nice tool in SolidWorks that you can create in a 3D directions. So let's go to the sketch. Here it is sketch. We are back to our sketch here, and let's use the text. So in the text there is nothing special. Here is the curves where you can use the text. Let's select this line, so you have the line selected, and you can type the thing you want, and here you can make it bold color, italic, letter rotation. So just write word work, and you can in the middle or to the left, under or up, or to reverse. You need this reverse in case of molds or getting the negative. And let's click OK. Let's try the text on a curve. Let's select this curve, this line. Alright, arrow to works. So you see the arc and line, they were selected, and you have your text on them. So let's try to reverse direction, and when you are done, okay. So you are also able to make a text on curves. So the next option, we have the point. The point also is a useful tool. It can be used to insert points, helping points in sketching or references or so on. For example, we can make a reference here. So we have this point is a reference. We can use it to draw a line, for example, from here to this corner. And also you can insert points on lines. So you can see that relation, the intersection relation shown. And as well you can add dimension for your points. Let's make a dimension from this point to this point. And also you can make dimension for points in space. So this is the tutorial about the text point in SolidWorks.